So here I am back at PHEX, and I'm here with the one and only gas expert. Now you would have seen the gas expert. I mean, how many times have you shut down London now?
Twice.
Twice.
On the same day.
It's timed up. What we're doing here is actually putting a spotlight on tool theft. And we've got a kit from SelectaDNA.
Yep.
So tell me, how does this work? What is it
So
all
basically, the SelectaDNA kit is linked to the police system.
about?
So the police can identify who the tools belong to.
Yeah.
So all you get in the box is a liquid that can mark up to 50 tools. So if you look at the little fragments in there, you see the little DNA in there?
Oh wow.
That is so small, tiny, smaller than
So this is that small speck?
That small speck
Yeah.
is the DNA that you get on your tools. Now, if you were to mark your tools, it's pretty simple. So let's get this together, liquid out here. Try and get a fragment or two. Just put your swab in there, for example.
Yep.
And say, for example, we marked our tool here.
So this is
That is it. So that liquid doesn't come off.
That's on for life.
Yeah, pretty
Right.
much it is. However, when you do mark your tools, try and get it in like crevices,
Yeah.
because that can't be clean, right? Rather than the trigger, because that's going to wear out by the how many times you're going to use it. So just being sensible about it and just trying to put some liquid on there.
Nice.
That's all you've got to do. And say, for instance, your tools end up in a boot sale, and the police were to go and check the stolen tools, that liquid there
Oh, that's amazing.
straight away showed you that.
Yeah.
But the even better part of it is, the speck that you saw here, under a microscope, let me just focus this in because it keeps in focus.
It doesn't say the gas expert in there, no. Because that would be really
Because you've
clever.
registered your tool,
Yeah.
and that code is specified to you,
Yeah.
with your name and telephone number. So if the police were to see that speck on any of the tools,
Oh my goodness, that's incredible.
yeah.
Oh, I wish we could get that on the camera because that's completely insane.
That's a stolen one.
That's insane. That's really remarkable, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's the idea behind it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if everyone was to mark the tools, for them to go to a boot sale and actually look at the tools, it's got to be worth their time as well.
Yeah.
We haven't got time to waste, they've got a lot on anyway. So we've got to do our marking within 6-7 months, the things that they have planned in terms of boot sales, and all the other, there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
But we have to do our part.
So when you guys rock up at a car boot sale, you can find out straight away if they're stolen tools, if it's marked by this. So
Light open them and
Yeah.
bang. Or sometimes we get people phoning up and saying, I found my tool here.
yeah.
And we go down there and we say, well, how can you put, well, I recognise the mark on it. And we can't do it, whereas if they go over, look, get your UV pen out.
Yeah. So tell me about these products. So how does somebody get hold of this?
You can buy it from SelectaDNA's own website,
And how much these cost?
$49.98.
$49.98.
How many specs do you get in a
Marks up to 50 items.
50 items? That's incredible. That is remarkable.
But the thing is, even if you don't get a speck on the tool, spec obviously is for the police to identify instantly that, right, that's a stolen tool. But if you just got the liquid on it, that can still go to the lab and they'll still tell you it's yours.
Right, brilliant.
So it's not just a spec, it's the whole liquid is actually identifiable.
That's really remarkable. Well, that's really interesting. Well, thank you so much, guys.
But as I say, it's not just for tools, your camera equipment, anything, mark it.
Mark it up.
So you know it's yours.
Brilliant.
And the thing is, you can't really tell that it's on your tool because it's just transparent, you can't see nothing. But we marked that earlier, not that one. Where's the UV section? Here we go, see?
Brilliant. Super.
Straight
That's
away.
so crazy. Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Really interesting. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Thanks a lot.